So, hi there, Jason Tapali here from the Exeter Strength and Conditioning. Welcome to one of my videos. In this video I'm going to talk about a few kettlebell exercises that can help you for strength and conditioning for any kind of sport. Sport I'm doing is skiing, but it can help for any other sport. So hey there everyone, Jason Tapali here from the Exeter Strength and Conditioning, and welcome back to one of my videos. And this morning, as you can see, I'm on a chairlift. It's snowing quite a bit here, but I want to go through a couple of kettlebell exercises that can help you with any kind of sport. Now, there's loads of kettlebell exercises, but the couple ones I want to go through here is kettlebell swings. Basic ones, great for conditioning, great for endurance. I use it as a finisher for some of my strength and conditioning workouts. Brilliant one to do. It's a staple. Next one I do is a single leg deadlift. There's many variations, but I like using a kettlebell cross body, so your standing leg and your other hand on the other side is holding the kettlebell, and you go and do single leg deadlifts. Brilliant for skiing, brilliant for other kinds of sports as well. So the next thing I do, I like working is the kettlebell snatch. Bit of a big one here because you have to learn how to do it. So sometimes I get people do the clean to clean up and then a push press, but after that the kettlebell snatch is a great whole body workout. It works your legs, core, upper body, everything, you know, shoulders, arms, biceps, everything. And I think that's a really good one to incorporate. And another one, a really good one for finisher. Need a little bit of practice about that with that one because it does take a bit of time to master, but once you master it, brilliant one to do. And the last one, most people, I like goblet squats. Is another one, a good one. You can hold the kettlebell single arm on one side, so it works as you're going down to a squat. You're working one side and another, so you're working your core and your left or right side, depends on what side you got the kettlebell in. So there we go. So just a few exercises there that you can do for sports conditioning. I do actually sports conditioning for skiing and anything like this, and I do it for my clients. Really good things to do. Kettlebells is one of my favourite exercises. I recommend it to everyone. So I'm going to leave it there because I'm getting cold. I'm on the chairlift, as you can see. I am in Caput LMZ. Well, you can't really see anything because it's snowing and it's white out, and I hope you can see me okay in the camera and you can hear me all right. I don't know why I'm doing this on a chairlift when it's snowing, when it's -4 degrees. I must be freaking mad, but I like doing these videos. So thank you very much for watching. If you like any more questions, please don't hesitate to hit me up on Instagram or YouTube. I'll be more than happy to help you with any questions, and hopefully I shall see you on another video soon, where hopefully I'm in my studio or somewhere warmer where I'm not getting freezing my ass off. See you later.